I think this water is healthy. Of course, is every water healthy for every animal? Well, technically, let's just say not every kind of water. Salt water is not healthy for some animals. Duh. Oh, yeah, I knew that. You sure? We are in the dark. It's about to get morning anyways. Yeah, I know. What? We gotta get back to the group quick. Everyone's gonna get back by second. Athena, Sophie, and what was your? Oh yeah, Black Star. They went back. Also, two of your other teams too. What was his name? Blue. He went back too. And what was the other gray fish boy name? I totally forgot his name. Oh wait, no, he wasn't gray. Wait a minute. Suppose that gray wolf supposed to be Adrian. Yeah, he was supposed to be Adrian, but let's just say he kind of changed his skin to gray instead of white. Oh, I see. Okay, let's continue. Okay. First, we haven't finished. This is actually a big land. I know. We just need 2 more hours, I bet. Yep, 2 more hours. I'm just taking a break with this water. Okay, I guess we should be heading back now. What did you mean by that? Are you scared of something? No, it's not that. Wait, what? I'm not scared. It's just there's something wrong about this place. Then we should go get the others. That's why. Well, I'll go get the others. You wait here. Why don't I go and you wait? After all, you are the strongest girl. After all, you are one of Black Star's good students. Okay, that might be true, but let's just say, let's continue. Of course. I don't want to be a leader of no one no more. I'm not gonna make. They could do whatever they want. I'm just not gonna let them. Maybe I should talk to Black Star of you guys being bossy around with, your master, Black Star. Black Star. I know who the Black Star really is. Yeah, I know too. His name is Cameron, isn't it? You know? You actually did know. Of course, I'm one of his friends. So are you actually a girl? Of course I am. Why did I turn into a lion girl, into a lion scary? Never mind. Gotta admit that. But let's just say a beautiful one. This is no time to be flurry. Let's go get the others. Oh, it's already morning? I didn't realize that. Come on, we have no time. You better get started. Coming. Okay, now let's make another joke. We should be headed back with your little cute smile. This is no time to be flirty. Come on, we better head back. There's no trouble over here. Probably the lion place is trouble. That's where Ashley and the little flirty guy going with her. Well, are you jealous? I'm not jealous. I'm just saying. She does have a crush though. Oh, she already does? She doesn't know that if he's a wolf or anything like that. Oh, well, he thinks it's one of you guys. Oh, really? Yeah. But wouldn't that be weird? 'Cause then her crush would be like someone else, or her crush already liked her. She is one smart girl after all. She is. But let's just say, You're the smartest of all of them. Athena is the second one. Ashley's the third one. Sophie. Is Sophie really that smart? She is smart. Let's just say sometimes we help her when she needs help. But Ashley doesn't really like to help people. All she does is, be a little bit dangerous to other people. She actually does be dangerous to other people. I know a girl that is dangerous to other people. Oh yeah, what's her name? Her name is Ashley. Oh, I never heard that name before. Oh wait, I'm friends with her. You are? But then what's your... I'm not gonna tell you my real name. Okay, then. I feel like she's hiding something. Wait, could Ashley be... Wait a minute, could Ashley actually be Ashes? No. No, she's not gonna be that scary. Or is she? Then she's actually really scary than ever, but actually, over there, she had her hair actually changed. How did I not realize this before? I'm so dumb. All of us is dumb. They probably figure out who we really are. I feel like I know it. I do actually know him. It is kind of weird that I don't really know him. Guess we should keep on. We're not allowed to see who we really are, actually. I guess we run. Come on, you're being a little slowpoke. I'm right in front of you. Oh, really? I don't see you. Oh, wait, we're close by. Oh, are we? Oh, why don't you check it by yourself? Oh, I see it. See? You little sharp good eye. I was further than you. I know. I just love to be a little bit cute cat, do I? You're already enough with the cute cat stuff. Oh, so I'm actually really cute? Please don't bring this up. I don't want to say no more. You guys are just evil